All right, good morning, everyone. We are going to continue working on coins, United States coins, that we started last week. Last week, we just worked on identifying the coin and the value of the coin. So we're going to take what we learned last week and build onto it. So today, we are going to identify coins by trading groups of coins for equal groups of coins. So let's review some coin values. Today we're only going to use pennies and dimes. So we're going to start off pretty easy. So remember, the penny is the only copper-colored United States coin, and it is worth 1 cent. And this is the dime. It's actually smaller than the penny, and it is worth 10 cents. So the big thing that I want you to focus on today is that 10 pennies, so 1, 2, 3, actually let me cross out as I count, so it's a good strategy for when you have lots of things to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies equal a dime, or 10 pennies has the same value as 1 dime. So the big idea that I want you to take away today is that 10 pennies is the same as 1 dime. It has the equal value. So if I went to the store and something cost 10 cents, I could give the cashier 10 pennies or 1 dime, and I would still be paying the same amount of money for the item that I was buying. So today, what we're going to do is count groups of pennies into groups of 10. So we did this a while ago when we were learning about regrouping and making groups of 10 with ones cubes and 10 rods. So we're going to do the same thing, but with pennies and dimes. So I know this is a little hard to do on the computer screen, so we're going to go kind of slow to make sure that we're counting very carefully. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a group of 10. Sometimes there's going to be leftovers, and we're going to see if we can make a second group of 10. And if we can't, those will just be what's in our ones place. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all of these that I just put a little line on, I'm going to circle those because that is a group of 10. And I have 1, 2, 3 left over. So this group of coins is equal to 1 dime because I'm going to trade these 10 pennies for a dime. They're equal to 1 dime and 1, 2, 3 pennies left over. So if I have 1 dime and 3 pennies, I have 13 cents. Okay, let's try another one. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put a little mark on the pennies that we count, and then when we get to 10, we'll circle it to show a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's circle our group of 10 to show that we've made a 10, or we have made a dime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't have enough to make another group of 10, so I'm going to write my final answer. I'm going to trade these 10 pennies for 1 dime, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies left over. So these 16 pennies are equal to 1 dime and 6 pennies. Okay, there's an I right there. All right. So now I want you to try. So it's going to be really important that you pause right here and you give yourself time to count. Okay, so pause. Okay, so let's review. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle those. This one looked pretty easy. There's only one left over. So there must be 11 dimes here, or 11 pennies. So 11 pennies is equal to 1 dime and 1 penny. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, pause here and practice. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we'll circle our group of 10. Oh, there's a lot. Let's see if we have enough left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, hold on. I made a mistake. See, I'm just like you guys. I make mistakes too. So I'm just going to start over. And I'm going to... I didn't make this mistake on purpose, but I want you to know that it's okay that you can start over if you need to. Especially when the coins are not organized. They're not in nice rows and easy to count. You might have to start over sometimes. So let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. See, this is why we put marks on the pennies, to make sure that we don't miss any. Okay, so there's our group of 10. So we've got 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left over. So we don't have enough to make 2 dimes. So we're going to trade these 10 pennies for 1 dime. And then the 6 pennies left over. 7 pennies left over. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, let's do one more and see if we can do a little better. Okay, so pause here and practice. Okay, so let's see what you guys got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle all that you put a little dot on. And you've got 3 left over. So I'm going to trade these 10 pennies for 1 dime. And there will be 3 pennies left over. So what you're going to do today on your independent practice is you're going to get a group of pennies very similar to this, and you're going to tell me how many dimes it equals, and then if there are any pennies left over. Okay, you only have 2 problems, so make sure you take your time and count very carefully. Okay? Bye, everybody.